Just fucking chill out already. All right. Well, that's a way to get started.
That is a good one.
Ladies and gentlemen, germs and germettes. Today we're gonna do some duck breast. And in order to do duck breast, you have to do preparation stages. First stage is getting your fucking pan hot. It's like 2 clicks below medium. Let that go. Now, duck. This is a D'Artagnan Moulard Margret duck breast. Evidently it's for fucking 4-star chefs, so now you know what you're dealing with. Oh, and there's not a lot of fat on it. This sucks. Yes, you heard it here. It sucks. It's fucking giant and has no fat. Wow, what a fucking dickin'. Fat is flavor, and we want flavor. Well, we gotta score it now, which is, if you've never done duck breast at home, don't be a fucking idiot and Michael or Jason through it. You wanna go halfway through. So when you sear it, it releases maximum amount of fat. It's really a pain in the ass, man. It's fucking hard. Especially if your knife is like super sharp. This actually isn't that bad. This is pretty beautiful now that I think about it. Sometimes you gotta criticize some shit. If you don't question yourself at least 14 or 15 times a day, then what's the point of living? Salt. As much as you don't want. Probably like 1/4 teaspoon. Kosher. You just want that so it releases some extra moisture. All right, pan. Pretty gnarly. No oil, no extra fat, nothing. Talk to me. Tell me what you're thinking. Turn it down to basically low. You just want to slow render. You don't want to burn. You don't want to incinerate. You don't want to char. Slow, and low, and easy. Just like making love to a female woman, as opposed to an alien woman. That's gonna go for like 5-8 minutes. It's fine. Turn it up a bit. Now that we're back, we see all this fat's rendered out, all this gold. Now we're gonna salt this side. Oh my Christ. While this is going on, I'm gonna baste that shit. What we added was 1 sprig of thyme. You can use rosemary, but rosemary and duck really doesn't fucking meld together. I think it's dog shit. I think rosemary and steak is dog shit, but that's another episode. But now we're just gonna baste this thing. We want the inside to be like medium rare-ish. I prefer medium. I don't like my duck that fucking bloody. Take your hand. Your hand is limp. This is raw. Don't clinch. It's like medium rare. Just make it snug. Medium. If you're a fucking asshole and go past medium, fuck you. Just stop. Just give up everything because you're a dick. And I don't like blood. Fuck you. You have no respect for the animal. All right, so now after we basted that for about 5 to 8 minutes, you wanna take it out of the pan. Let some of that blood fry up a little. It's gonna turn into a little crunchy at the bottom. It's gonna be nice. And then we're gonna use the same fat in the same pan. We're gonna fry potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Sweet duck fat fucking fried potatoes. So you turn the heat up a little bit and get the frying. Don't wanna burn them. Just wanna fry them. And this may take a few minutes depending on how you operate the heat. They're that long. And these are blanched. We blanched these earlier, which is the magic of editing. You're gonna see the nice little montage. Don't wanna burn them, just wanna fry them. Caramelize. They're sweet. Oh my God, look at that. You can also cut your potatoes however you want. I happen to like them in batons, as they say, and or half French fries. I don't fucking care. This is how I like them. You can cut them in circles. You can cut them in squares. You can fucking deep fry the whole thing. I don't care, honestly. Just do whatever the fuck makes you happy. If you actually do make this and follow everything that I said, please like show me. Like at least let me see if you fucked up. If you fucked up, I'll try and help you, but you should just listen the first time. So we're gonna turn these off now. And we're gonna transfer them somewhere to drain. And then we're gonna get the salsa on and finish. This was 2 cups, 1.5 cups because I drank 2 cups. A cup and a half red wine, 1/4 cup of balsamic, and like 10 cherries. And you will see the beautiful time lapse reduction process of that. Now we're gonna finish the sauce. This is what the finished product will look like. We're gonna bring this back up to heat, much medium. And then we're gonna get 1 tablespoon of butter. Add that butter. And we're going to beurre monter, which translates from French to English to mount with butter, which I will gladly mount with butter. Oh my Lord. Direct our attention to the duck. This has been resting for like 6 minutes maybe. So here we go. This fucking crust on this is unbelievable. And the reason you do that is because duck fat is chewy and gnarly, not like pig fat. So you have to cook it down, but slow, like we did. Let's just tune this. This is fucking gorgeous. That's like fucking perfect, honestly. But, you know, that's why you guys are watching me. This is not an easy dish to make. And it's not pretty when it's all said and done, but if you like duck, you never cooked it before, try it. It's pretty good, and if you follow directions and keep everything nice and low, you really can't fail.